Hello, DeSoto Eagles. Today we're going to be talking about accessing Destiny Discover and ebooks in Schoology and the virtual library. Finding an ebook in Destiny Discover is easy. Just go to your school's virtual library in Schoology. First, log into your Schoology account and select Groups from the green ribbon at the top of the page. Next, you'll select the DeSoto ISD Virtual Library image on the Schoology landing page. Then, select Resources on the left-hand tab. Select Secondary Campuses. The folder will open with a list of all the secondary campuses. Select your campus from the list. Now that you're on your virtual library page, select the Destiny Discover image. Now you need to log in. Enter your username and password. Your username is your first initial, last initial, ID number, and your password is your ID number. Once you've entered those, select Submit. Once you submit, you will now be on your library catalog page. If you have problems logging in, first check to make sure you have used the correct username and password. Remember, your username is your first initial, last initial, ID number, and your password is simply your ID number. Next, check for misspellings. And if you are unable to resolve the problem, check with your librarian for the username and password. Select the Ask the Librarian image in your virtual library. For more information on how to use ebooks in Destiny Discover, be sure to take a look at the videos located in Schoology in our library catalog folder. You will find videos on searching for and checking out ebooks, and videos on how to use the tools for reading Follett ebooks and listening to audiobooks. Thank you for joining us today for the DISD Secondary Library tutorial. And by the way, what are you reading today?